Hi guys.
Daddy do it, Mommy do it, we do it.
Oh, all of us worked on the backdrop?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for stopping by one more time to check out our content. Well, today we'll just be doing a little setup for our videos. So we'll be doing a little backdrop so that when we're doing our sit down videos you can have something nice in the background to look at. Alright, so remember the stand that we had used, that we had shown you guys in our Amazon haul. We're going to set up that right now, add our backdrop to it, and then you guys will see how the finished product will look. So just journey with us on this. And remember, if you're new to the channel, please to subscribe, please to like this video, leave your comments down below, and we will catch up with you guys. Alright. Alright guys, so Sammy has joined the party, as you can see.
Wasn't that expected?
Me alone could have put it up. But anyways, this is how we are now looking. So you guys can expect this look whenever we're doing a
Sit down video.
yeah. So once we're doing a sit down video or we're doing a review on something, if it don't require us being on the ground or in a different location, we'll be sitting right here to talk to you guys. I hope that you guys really like it. I hope you appreciate it. And I hope that this little gesture will help our channel to grow, because we need to grow.
That's true.
Anything else you want to say?
True. You guys can just let us know what you think in the comment section.
Pull up the comment section, please. We really want to know your opinion. How did we do? How is it looking? Yeah, we like it. Hope you guys like it, because the truth is we're doing it for you and not for ourselves. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for sticking it out until the end. And just in case you have not yet hit that like button, go right ahead, smash it right now. If you're new, or even if you're not new but you have never pressed the subscribe button,
You have people who do that, you know?
yeah,
Just watch.
now is a good time. Alright,
Post notification too.
turn on your post notification bell. A lot of persons have their post notification on, but they only watch the videos that they want to watch. That's fine.
Thank you
Guys,
for watching something.
Thank you for watching. So we're gonna say peace out. Samuel would have loved to be a part of this ending, but he's not here right now. So thank you guys so much. You know what?
What?
I just got an idea.
Okay.
I think we can change the theme when it comes on to Christmas time. What do you think?
Yeah, that's possible.
What do you guys think? Do you think that Christmas time we should decorate this for the season?
Makes sense.
Comment down below. We'll really appreciate it. So thank you guys. Enough of the chatting. See you guys in another video. And thanks for making it Christmas. And remember,
The journey continues.
bye guys.
Bye.